guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Grwm and I'm back with a new video. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me so you can see how I created this look, as I also catch y'all up with where I've been these past few couple of months, where I'm at right now, let you know where Grwm. And before we start the video, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Join the gang, how would I get shit, you know what I'm saying? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, so I will start by talking about the wins
All I do is win.
at the end of 2020. So guys, I'm no longer an illegal immigrant.
Ooh, she's illegal.
Man's got a UK passport now. Come say something, make a joke, say something. Yeah, that's what I thought, because you can't. Anywho, yeah, in the space of 3 days, God really came through with his blessings. On Wednesday the 9th of December, I got my citizenship. And then on 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, then on the 11th of December, I got my driver's license. So, yeah. But prior to that, guys, the amount of L's and I was supposed to achieve all of the things that I wanted to back in February of last year, and just because coronavirus and everything, it ended up being prolonged. But other than that, you know, don't really have much to complain about because God came through in the end, and I learned to trust in God's plan rather than my own timing. What else happened? I moved out of my uni accommodation, which is what you can see. It's definitely a different setting around here. Just based on the way that everything was going, there was literally no need for me to be at uni anymore. I'm still obviously in my 3rd year, but I'm not living on campus or living in Northampton anymore. All of my lectures, everything is online, which, that is a whole different conversation to be had. I'm gonna get into it. So in discussion of uni, guys, this whole online lectures thing is not working for me. I want my money. I want my peas. What am I paying 9k for? Slideshows and to hear you whispering into my ear. For what? I just feel like right now uni is a scam. It's really a scam. They're out here finessing our money. And I feel like they should at least give us half of it back, because what are we really paying for? The quality of the lessons is nowhere near the same. I can't interact with people. And another thing is, like, with my uni, especially with the whole lockdown situation, right? I'm not allowed to go into campus. What is that? Where was I? I wasn't finished bashing the uni experience online. And I feel bad for all of the new students that don't get to experience freshers, you know. Let me not talk too much, but they've missed out on so much, which is such a shame. But lockdown has been very beneficial over the course of this last year. In the first lockdown, I learnt and taught myself how to customize wigs, how to dye them. A lot of it just became a lot more creative. Because prior to that, oh my god, it was bad. Yeah, my wigs, they were not laid. And also, I had not told you guys before, but I used to hide my ears because I had keloids. And in the summer, August 27th, I had them removed through a private dermatologist. Yeah, the NHS refused to pay for it, so I had to go and get it done privately. And I did actually, I have been taking pictures of the recovery process. But for those of you who don't know what keloids are, they are it's like a raised scar. And it's prone to happen to people with darker skin, so black people. I forgot. Yeah. Anyways, but as you can see, I haven't laid my wig down, but I'm trying to go for a go. I just couldn't be bothered. Okay, yeah, don't judge me, alright? Don't judge me. But yeah, I used to have keloid over here. Used to have another one here and behind my ear. Don't want to get into too much detail, but yeah, this I don't mind really showing, because if you had seen what it was like before, disgusting. This is nothing compared to what it was before. But yeah, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you guys had noticed, but yeah, I never used to show my ears in my videos, and yeah, that's why I always wore that blood clot done out wig, or I'd wear my AirPods. You guys, I bet you guys are wondering, why is this girl always wearing AirPods? It wasn't by choice, it was because I was trying to cover up my keloids. I was so insecure about them. But now that I've had them removed, like I found this newfound freedom and confidence. Like I never knew I had the confidence that I have now. Like any chance that I have to show my ears, I'll use it basically. As you guys can really tell, I'm so bad. Literally, like I've said it so many times, I am bad at multitasking. Trying to do my makeup and talk at the same time. It's not really my strong point. Whilst I'm here, guys, I make wigs. Yes, I make wigs. I've started customizing as well. I will try and be consistent and actually show you guys which wigs I have made, customized, and yeah, just keep you guys informed and show you the talents that God has blessed me with. Yeah, it is a service that I now provide. I do have customers, and if you would like to be one of those customers, feel free to become one. But I have a couple of projects that I'm working on that I would really like to share with you guys in the upcoming months. I'm quite excited. Obviously, you know them people that always be like, keep your mood silent. That is, I'm trying to do that, but I get so excited and I want to start sharing with people. But yeah, just know that I'm plotting and planning. I'm doing stuff behind the scenes.
So what we're going to do here is go through some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and just apply it to the areas, under your eyes, under the chin, on my forehead and on my nose and a bit over my lips. I've been using this concealer since day, but I'm considering changing it up and I will let you guys know when I do that. But anyways, what we're going to do now is blend. Keep blending to the death for you. Oh, that didn't come around. To the death of you. As you can see, I'm pounding my face because I want to look blended. Some of you girls be looking crusty. I'm sorry I had to say it. But you guys, you need to make sure you blend. Cause you don't want to be looking like a fool. You know what I mean? But yeah, blend, 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 blendy blend, blend.
Just gonna go over with a lighter concealer. Who do I think I am?
So what I'm doing now is I'm going over my previous concealer but with a lighter shade, just because I really want my under eyes to pop. Want it to look a bit bright, and also have like a blended concealer look. So from light, medium to to my foundation color.
Non-existent lips. Love to see it.
Just going over my face with some setting powder. I don't bake, I set.
This one is for you, Nancy, since you always say that you want to see how I contour my nails.
So I'm just going along with the setting powder and setting my nose as well as the rest of my face. As you can see, it's actually made my nose look snatched.
I really like to overline my lips. You're going to see it's very dramatic.
I like to overline my lips and give a very dramatic look. Usually go over with another shade, blend that in together, then go over with some lip gloss, get my lips looking popping, all that good stuff.
If anyone would like to sponsor me with a highlighter, because I've been using eyeshadow the past Lord knows how long since my other one broke. Lovely.
So we're gonna go over with some quotation marks highlighter. This is actually eyeshadow. Then I go over on my nose as well, because I always like my nose to look so defined and like shiny, you know what I mean? Also do the corners of my eyes.
Okay, basically finished everything, but I haven't, not quite there. Just need to add some eyelashes and then we'll be finished. But the moral of the story is this past year has been very eventful. I've learned to be very patient. Not everything is going to work according to my timing. Trusting God's plan and God's timing, because whatever you have in store for yourself is never going to match what God has got in store for you. And I've also clocked, yeah, so many people have been making big moves, which is great, you know. Keep doing you, keep you know, grinding, but everyone's timing is different, because I was seeing people start businesses and start, you know, achieving so many of their goals and aspirations, and it was not even within my own capacity. Like, I genuinely could not be doing or making the same moves as everyone else, because I just wasn't in the same financial position. I didn't have the same freedoms, you know, all of that stuff, and I was comparing myself so much, and I've just learned to stop that, you know. Stop it. Like, why are you doing that? Your time will come, and in the process of waiting for your time to come, be happy for other people. Jealousy is not the one, and comparing yourself also to other people is not the one either. Stay focused on your own path, and in due time, as long as you're working hard and staying focused, you will get to where you want to be in due time. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and I will see you guys next time.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, break it up. And then
Damn, my lips are so glossy. Some could say I'm doing too much, and I would say mind your damn business.